Hello, and welcome to the AT and UDL Loan Library Tips and Tricks. My name is Sam Genty, one of the training support specialists in the Hollywood Library Distribution Center. Today I'm going to show you how to enable head tracking on your iOS or iPadOS device. This feature gives you the ability to track the movement of your head to control a pointer on your screen to perform various actions. But before we get into that, there is a few important things you must know. Head tracking is supported on iPhone 10 and later, and iPad Pro 12-inch, 3rd and 4th generation, and iPad Pro 11-inch, 1st and 2nd generation using its true depth camera. Another way to determine if your device supports head tracking is Face ID. If you use Face ID to unlock your phone or iPad, then you have a head tracking supported device. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Settings, Accessibility, select Switch Control, scroll down to Head Tracking, tap to turn on head tracking, and from here you can select certain actions, pointer speed, and your tracking mode. I'm going to select the following actions: smile, tap, open mouth, app switcher, stick out tongue, home, raise eyebrow, control center. I'm going to go back to the previous screen and scroll up and tap switches, select add new switch. From there it will show you a list of source switches. Tap screen, select full screen to use as a switch. Tap select item under scanner. And remember to turn on switch control. Now your device should start scanning. Under tap, select the dots at the bottom of the menu to see more options. Tap once to select the row that has head tracking. Tap head tracking. Bring your face into the camera view, and now you're ready to use head tracking on your iPadOS or iOS device. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye out on our website for additional videos and support.